Come on in and welcome to my kitchen. This video will show you one of the ways I make my pepper soup. It is simple, fast, and very delicious. These are what I used. Please, you can use your meat of choice. Uziza leaf for me is a match made in heaven in this soup. Just like Uziza, ogiriisi sets your soup apart from the rest. I love to use this because it turns the soup to a full meal for me. I like to put all my spices in a bowl. Don't worry, I shall explain why in a bit. We will start by cooking the meat. Go ahead and season the meat as shown. I like to leave the stalk of the onion so that they stay intact and I can remove it after cooking the meat. You can dice yours if you don't mind seeing it in your final look. Top your contents with water to make the stock and start cooking. Please ensure the goat meat skin is soft so you don't end up fighting with it during eating. Let me address the spice in the bowl. Making it into a paste or slurry gives your spices, especially the crayfish, something to hold on to. It will not sink to the bottom when added and start burning. It also helps to dissolve your ogiriisi, giving it a more pleasing appearance than the few seedy appearance here and there you can see if you did not dissolve it. Go ahead and add in your yam. We will not be pounding or blending this because this soup is to be drank and not for swallow like ofe nsala. Uziza has some heat to it, so please remember to either reduce your pepper or the leaf itself if you don't want it to be too hot. Our soup is almost ready. Once your yam tenderness is to your satisfaction, your soup is ready. Remember that this soup is for drinking, so you do not want it to thicken. The yam that I added is just for added character. Our soup is ready, guys. In my family, we take this soup any time of the year, but most especially during cold season or when someone is down a bit. There it is. Please remember to share this video if it was helpful and give me a feedback when you do try it. Until next time when I see you again, let's learn and cook together. Bye bye.